So, how you make dragon eggs is you get drawing pins and stick them in, and like
Stick them in what?
You stick them in polystyrene eggs to make dragon eggs, and then can you see there's still more parts, but the other one has got no more parts left.
That's a brilliant one.
Now's my very first one.
Okay. Do you want to put it nearer to the camera? Wonderful. Okay, you can put it in the nest.
Still a bit delicate.
Still a bit delicate.
See?
And then where are you putting it?
So I'm going to put it in this nest there, and Mummy's, that is just drying. She's going to put it in there, otherwise it'll be a little bit matchy. And nobody likes matchy, do they?